Alright, what's up guys? My name is Zach and I have a really fun video for you guys today. Our friends over at Super Clean actually sent me a bunch of products to try out. We have a couple different degreasers here, some wheel cleaner, and the almighty floor absorbent for whenever you spill things, which I always do on a regular basis. This is absolutely awesome for all of the clumsy mechanics out there like myself. So today I have enlisted the help of my friend Alex, and he has some really dirty 13B parts for his FC Rx-7, and so we're going to be degreasing them today with these here products. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you guys would like a link to these products, it'll be in the description below. Oh, this looks so good. All right, now that the transmission stuff is clean, the engine is clean, the diff is clean, we're gonna put it back inside, but we're actually gonna wash our real daily driver cars. You can see in the background there. So we're actually gonna wash them because we never wash our cars. Even though we're car enthusiasts, we never wash them. So I think Alex has a foam cannon, not phone. Isn't that, do you have a foam cannon? What do you have? Yeah, so we're gonna wash them. Foam Party. That's our new website. These lenses are like foggy, like from the factory. Like look at that, like.
Should have bought a Honda.
Does it work?
I don't know. I think it's good.
Yep.
That's not something much.
It's not exactly what I thought it was going to be,
Same.
if I'm honest. I mean, it's soap.
Oh wait.
I thought it was supposed to foam. That's foamier. You got to tune it. You got to fine tune it.
It's not doing much, but it's something.
Oh, that's pretty good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I really truly love using these products. They worked really well, as you saw on the transmission and the Series 413B that we degreased. Please show this video some love so Super Clean shows the channel some more love, and hopefully we'll get some more products in the future because I really genuinely like this stuff. It works super, super well, and actually my mom's been using this stuff for years to clean our stove tops and other appliances around the house. It's an all-around cleaner, which I really, really like, and I hope that Super Clean still likes me, so they keep sending these things because it saves me a trip to the store to buy these products anyway. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. Take care, guys.